Alright, welcome back to another Christmas episode, everybody. Today, me and my dad were down here at the river today, and we wrote our list to Santa, and hopefully he's able to get us on some type of fish, Santa Claus. I have enough faith in him that I've been good this year that he'll give us something. So who knows what we can catch today? Some steelhead, lake trout, brown trout. So let's get out there and let's get fishing. So get back to you if we catch any fish. And hope you have a Merry Christmas today, or if you don't celebrate Christmas, have a happy December 25th. All right, we'll get back to you if you catch any fish. All right, guys, just got out here on this beautiful Christmas day. Not really Christmas day, but you know, Christmas day video. And we're starting off floating. Got the pin, got a little 10mm UV orange, and then just down to my little white jig right here. The water clarity could be a little bit better, but I say it's about 3 feet right now, so we're just gonna work with it and see if we can get any. So if we get any, we'll get back to you. All right, guys, fish on right here. I actually just retied too. That's a steel. That's a big steel right there. That is a big steel. Holy smokes. That's a big steel. Yeah, it's a big steel. Going right at me.
You get on that side?
No, stay right there, stay right there. Oh, that's not, no. He actually didn't hit to the thing I switched on. He hit on the beat I already had on there. Oh, shoot. These steelhead fight much better than the frickin' Lakers. Shoot. I'm gonna have to go down and chase him a little bit. Yeah, water level's way down. Come on, I got him on the middle beam. Bring him in. Here you go. You can scoop him up right there. Nice. That's a big one, guys.
Oh, nice color.
Oh yeah. Nice one. Let's hold him up for you guys. That's a giant.
There you go, Santa.
All right, guys. We asked Santa for it. Oh, he gave us a nice Christmas present right there. That's a giant female right there. I'd say close to 8 pounds. Look at that beauty.
Nice fish, Noah.
Let's let her go right here. Man, I didn't know if we are gonna be able to get anything with the clarity today, but we ended up getting this nice steely. Hold her till she's ready.
Yeah, but it's all yours. There she goes into the freaking green abyss.
All right, guys, nice first fish of the day right there. Beautiful steely. I haven't caught a steely in a while, so I'm happy we got that. I didn't know if we were gonna catch one today because we were already fishing for say about a good hour and maybe 30 minutes and nothing. So we decided to move the spots because St. Nicholas called me and said, hey, move over here. So I was like, okay, hey, why not? So we're down here right now. Just got that one, and let's see if we can pull out any more. The water's like, as I said earlier, like probably like 3 foot viz, which is all right, not the best, but we're working with it. So let's see if we can get any more fish. All right, guys, another fish on right here. Right after 5 minutes after that steelhead. It's fighting me like a Laker. This has to be a Laker or something. There's the bobber.
It's a Laker, bro.
It's gotta be a Laker.
Watch the guy around the curve trying to land here. Down there. Oh! Standing little helper here, dude. Oh, that's a Laker.
Yeah, that's a Laker all day.
Look, it's behind that.
Oh,
You want to watch the bobber off, so.
yeah. Took me for a ride right there.
That was bobber longer than that.
Yeah, good thing we got this longer net.
That's twice on the same drift here, bud.
What a nice gift from St. Nicholas. Oh, he hit on the jig this time too.
Yeah, he's on the jig. No, that may be a brown.
No, that's a Laker.
That's pretty orange. Wow, it's the same, dude.
Nice Laker.
Nice looking.
You're on this side of me, man. Always downstream. Always downstream. Good luck. Yes, sir. Good right over there. Extend it. Extend it. There you go. There you go. Yeah. There you go.
There it goes.
Dang, you almost better than Colin, but
Dude, look at this thing.
nice one. Hold him in the water and we'll get you guys a better picture of him. I got it.
Okay, dude.
All right, guys. Another great gift under the Christmas tree. Nice Laker. Let's revive him and sing the Laker song. Yeah, the Laker Christmas carol. Oh, Laker fish, oh, Laker fish, how orange are your fins?
Dude, you ain't no singer. Goodbye, he even ran away.
Big is your mouth to eat the bait fish? Oh,
Oh,
Laker fish, oh, Laker fish.
I'm
Thank you
embarrassed.
for biting my lure. So let's see what else I can get out there, man. Oh, there's fish on. That's a steal. That's a steal. That's a hot steal. That's a hot steal.
Steelhead?
Yeah, hot one.
He's a hot one as well. Look at him go, boy.
Man, these fish came back to back to back. This is crazy.
Make them both for you there in the first 10 minutes. Oh, he's going, dog. He's coming hard.
They're just...
You see that upstream?
Oh, he's gonna jump. Oh yeah, he jumped. He jumped. I knew it. Oh yeah. Whoa, come on, settle down now. I love the fight of the steelheads. I've been catching too many Lakers. I forgot what it's like to catch a steel. Can't tell what I got him on. I got him on the jig.
You got him on a jig, dude.
That's a nice fish. That's a hot fish. That's a hot fish.
Hi, Irene.
Oh.
I love when the steel's not bad.
Gotta love the steels all day, every day.
Oh, that's awesome, bro.
All right. Oh my gosh. Getting smoked by these fish. They just steelhead, they like bursts of energy. We're like freaking crazy.
Lucky the water level going down like this, bro. This sucker drops right off.
I'm bringing them right to you. Bringing them right to you. Oh, man, you gotta scoop them fast next time.
Yeah, sorry, bud. One rock keeps hitting the bottom of the net, and then there's the abyss, dude.
Scoop them fast. Don't wait for him to swim in there by himself. Scoop. Wait, come on. All right, we'll get up to the next scoop. Oh man, she is mad. Come on. This fish, man. There you go. Oh, man, this fish doesn't look as big as the last one, but he's definitely fighting harder. There we go. Here. There you go. Nice, man. Oh, that's a fat one. That's a big one. Well, that might be bigger than the first one I caught. Let me hold it up for you.
Look at the belly on this one. Yeah, this belly's filled. Hey, you know,
guys.
this is a no-sing zone.
Oh, yeah, sure about this?
Yeah.
I might have an incoming steelhead stomach, bro. Check out her stomach when I hold her up. Oh, steelhead. Oh, steelhead. How lovely are your colors.
Good looking fish, dude. Nice
Red,
fresh
green,
chroma.
and silver. Look at that stomach. Oh, steelhead. Oh, steelhead. Your lovely jumps are so great. Your head shakes are much better than the Laker. Oh, steelhead. Oh, steelhead. Thank you for biting my lure again. There we go, guys. Number 3 right there. 2 steelhead. That was a giant one. As you can see, she was pretty well pregnant. She was like a balloon right there. So I already caught 3. Let's see if we can get my dad on something.
Yeah, I'll get something.
Merry Christmas. Fish shot for my dad. Look at that. It's like he's got a nice steely right there. That's gotta be a steelhead, right? Oh snap. Oh yeah, that's a steelhead. Fighting much better than the old Lakers.
Oh yeah, that's fun, man.
Yep, just set them up, because just set this float assembly up with my jig when I was catching them on, and boom,
Set me up, dude.
got one.
That's a small one. Yeah, that's a small jack. Go figure, I get a jack. Oh, I love it, though. I love it. First steelhead on the shore, nothing. Oh, there you go. Oh, he got it right. Nice.
That's a nice one.
Right, color. That's a fight of yours.
That's actually a big one. That's not a jack. What are you talking about, man? That's not a jack. Thanks. Let's have them hold them up for you guys. All right, guys. My dad's first steal the other day right there.
Thanks for setting me up, dude.
Oh, yeah. Get close up on him. That's a beauty. Send him off. A nice male, too. Got a little cape on him.
Let's get out there, buddy.
Merry Christmas. There he goes. Looks like my steelhead son brought him in for you.
Oh, steelhead.
Nice.
Oh, steelhead.
All right.
Ain't gonna happen, bro.
Let's get some more.
You
We've got about 30 more minutes of fishing. Let's see what else we can do. Yeah, hold on. I gotta call you right back. My dad's got a fish on. I'll call you right back. My dad's got a fish on. Fish on, man. Number 2 for Pops. Yeah. No, we're over here.
Yeah, just walk the shoreline down the step. Oh. Dude, I don't know, Noah.
Fighting like a Laker. Yeah.
Put on your green and white one.
Yeah, it's a Laker.
That Laker.
Yeah, it's a Laker.
Yeah,
nice.
nice. Dude, bobber downs are nice.
Oh yeah. It's catching up to me, man.
Should I loosen the drag or leave it?
No, I'll just leave it. It's fine.
Oh, baby. Nice.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Oh yeah. Thanks, you put on there. What type of jig did you put on there?
That's the one you tied last year that you told me I could have. There we go.
Nice Laker. Hang on. Let's have my dad hold them up for you. One Steely, one Laker for you too.
A lot of fun. I'm gonna put her in, okay?
Yeah. Set them off.
There we go.
Sweet. Nice one, man.
We're getting them put in.
There's a fish on right there. Oh yeah. Hope I got that jump on camera, man. Oh yeah, it's a steal. All right. Oh, that's a dark steel. That's a dark one too. I thought it was a brown for just 1 second because how dark it was.
I got that one right. Just happened to be watching.
Oh yeah. Man, this one's fired up.
Nice fish, dude.
Looks like a freaking coho with the colors it has. Oh jeez. It's a small one too.
Yeah. Maybe not as small as you think.
Oh wait. I'll get it in. Come on now.
I'll get him when you bring him around.
Oh, snap. They just freaking dart. Oh, that hurt. Oh, snap. Come on now. Come on, fish.
Come on, fish.
Finally getting on the steels today.
As soon as you bring it up, I'm going to stab at him this time.
There you go. Nice one. Let's hold them up for you guys.
I'll bring him.
There you go, Santa Claus.
Yeah. All right, this is a fired up steel. I don't know if you guys could see from that close up, but one side of its lip a little bit messed up. Looks like it got cut before, but
I thought it was a little bead.
man,
Merry Christmas, man.
nice dark one. I'm catching all the females today. Look at that. His dorsal fin's gone. That's kind of weird.
He's right.
Let's let him go.
There we go. Nice fish right here. Beauty. Whew. Look at the colors on there. Gorgeous. Nice. Number 4, let's go. Oh yeah, another fish out for Pete down there. Hopefully he can redeem himself this time. Let's go help him net it. Oh yeah, he's got that technique. Ah. Oh yeah. Come on now. Oh, you tied that jig? Yeah. Nice. What does it feel like? Steelhead?
Its head shape been really bad, so it's really hard to tell because that last steelhead hit felt like a wake.
Yeah.
I feel like it could be getting a little lethargic.
Oh yeah.
I could be wrong, but
Oh yeah, look at that rod bend. Whoa.
Albanian.
Oh yeah.
Trip over rod.
Oh, there it is, there it is. That's a steel. Yeah, it's a steel. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Oh yeah.
Oh, don't look too lethargic to me. He hit like he was lethargic.
Where is it?
Albanian missed one.
Yep. Now you gotta land this one.
Okay. Gotta land it, like Noah said.
Do it for the Christmas episode.
And I hand tied it myself.
Yep, hand tied by the master Albanian.
Black jig.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this guy don't want to come in to eat.
Oh yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Oh yeah, he's a fighter.
Feels like he's got a little weight. I thought I had him. But
Oh, that's a good one. That's a real good one.
chrome?
Yeah, pretty chrome. Got a Nice green stripe down the middle. Here we go.
It's not his fault. You're not very well to fix the crud.
Oh, that's a strong little fish right there.
I don't want to break the line because I don't need them.
There we go.
All right.
Nice one. All right, Pete. Nice fish right there.
Thank you.
Nice
Thank
one.
you. I'm gonna get her back in.
Oh,
Nice.
all right.
Ooh, shot off right away.
Now that
Sweet.
right there is what I love when they go back and swim away. Now that's fishing.
Oh yeah, that's fishing.
She lived to see another day.
All right, guys. Here's Skye from, what's your channel name?
The Skye Life.
The Skye Life. Yep. I watch his videos. Just seen him down here and gave him some of my lures to tie up. So if he catches some, you'll see him definitely on his channel. So go check out his channel. I'll leave the link in the description. So yeah, good luck, man. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Sweet.
We've been on skunked all day, so shout out to Noah for these jigs. Hopefully they get us on some fish.
For sure. Alright, and that's gonna wrap up the video for today. All in all, pretty good day out there. I went 4 for 4, caught 3 steelhead and 1 laker. My dad went 2 for 2 with 1 steelhead and 1 nice laker. And then Pete, he surprised us. He showed up, walked down the stairs and said, "Oh hey, there's Pete." So he was able to get 1 nice steelhead for the video, so that was all good. And yeah, that's gonna wrap up the video. Hope you guys have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, a Happy New Year. So we'll see you guys in the next episode.